Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to send gift from your Telegram account to another Telegram user. Okay, so on Telegram you can buy gifts using your credit card or Google Play to send to other Telegram users, and in today's video I'll guide you on how to do that. Okay, so before we get started, let's open our Telegram account. So this is my Telegram. Okay, yeah, and I want to send money to this Telegram. I want to send gift. Okay, so the gift is in a money form. Okay, so I want to send gift to this Mr. Eris account. Okay, so what I have to do now is to just switch to my account, the Same Tech Hub. Then I'll click on the settings and I'll scroll down to send gift. Okay, so actually the gift you are sending will be sent in stars. Okay, meaning you need to get some stars in your account before you can send the gift to your friend or your family members. Okay, and the stars are money, meaning they can just convert them to money and withdraw. Okay, so you can see I have just 90 stars in my account. Yeah, and I can buy more stars. Okay, so if I want to buy more stars, I'll just click on this buy more stars, then I'll select the amount of stars I want. So with 100 stars it's just $2, and with 250 stars it's just $5. Okay, so you can also click this to gift stars to your friends. Okay, or you can just go back and click on send a gift. Okay, so right now let me buy some stars. You can see I have a low star here. Let me buy some stars. Okay, so let me buy maybe 500 stars. Okay, so I need to double click to make payment. Okay, and I have confirmed the transaction, so you can see you are all set. Your purchase was successful and I have purchased the stars. Okay, so I can just click on this gift stars to friend. I can go back and click send a gift. Okay, so I'll just click on this person and I will scroll down. Okay, so I can either gift the person 3-month premium Telegram premium, or 6 months Telegram premium, or 1 year Telegram premium. Okay, or I can just scroll down and send a gift like this. So I can either gift the user 15 stars, or I can gift him any amount of stars. Okay, so let's say I want to gift the user this star. I'll just click on this 100 and I'll click on send star. So you can see this is how the user will receive the stars. Okay, so gift from Same Tech Hub. Mr. Resem can add this gift to their profile or convert it to stars. Okay, so I will pay for a fee and the user will receive 85 stars. Okay, so I'll click on send a gift and you can see I've automatically sent the 100 stars to the user. Okay, so let me switch to the user to see if the user has received it. Okay, so you can see I have received the stars over here, and I can either, you can see I have stars already. I have 100 stars here. Okay, I have 100 stars here, so I can either convert the gift here to stars. So if I want to convert the gift to stars, I'll just click on the gift, then I'll click on this. You can see sell for 85 stars over here, so I'll click on this sell for 85 stars and I'll click on convert, and the 85 stars has been converted to my account. Okay, so this is how you can send Telegram gifts, whether in stars or any token, from one person to another, or you can send from your account to another user. Okay, so if this video helped you to send gifts to your friends and families, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.